Welcome. If you're looking to stay ahead of the latest features and updates on Instagram, enabling product announcements notifications is a smart move. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or just love discovering new tools, turning on these notifications ensures you never miss out on what's new. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable product announcements notifications on Instagram, so you're always in the loop. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone, so it's the first stop on our journey. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Look for Instagram in this list. It might take a moment if you have a lot of apps, but once you find it, tap on Instagram to open its settings. Now that you're in the Instagram app settings, find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly what kinds of alerts you want to receive from Instagram. Within Notifications, you'll notice an option called Notification Categories. Tap on this to see a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the category labeled Product Announcements. There should be a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This will enable notifications whenever Instagram rolls out new features, updates, or important product news. And that's it. You've just ensured you'll be among the first to know about Instagram's latest product announcements. This is especially helpful if you want to try out new features as soon as they're released or stay informed about updates that could impact your Instagram experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. Stay connected, and see you in the next video.